Only put the screws.
But the bottom, good?
Good. Yeah.
The problem over here,
Yeah.
open more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because when they're working, I put my hand, I hold up, it worked.
Yeah.
So now we need to screw there.
This one, this tools one, is for the laminate floor.
Oh, how it work?
For the small pieces here,
Yeah.
you put this one, push, ensemble.
No comprendo.
No?
Push.
Yeah.
Push here or push here?
Yeah. Look, for install this piece,
This one.
yeah, it's the hammer. Huh?
Yes.
It's the rest, it's no hammer.
Oh yeah, cannot. Oh,
Yeah. You put it here.
comprendo.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Oh. Wow.
Okay.
Comprendo.
Listen there.
So now we need to find the screw.
Yeah.
Okay.